If I wasn't doing YouTube and video writing, then I'm pretty sure I'll become an artist
Sensational.
or a musician, maybe even a pop star. Who knows? I might if I ever let you know. Oh my, she ever said she wants me. You. But there's something I love more than singing. Listening to music. I don't have half of this.
With an earpiece. And I just destroyed the only one I had, which means I had to get a new pair.
The next one is cheaper. Maybe the next one is cheaper. I've had it to these prices. I mean, I can't even afford one ear. In fact, getting a new earpiece was never part of my budget at all. I'll just have to make one myself.
If someone came up to me months ago and said, "You can make figures out of cardboard," I'd probably have said something like,
How? Impossible!
but it's not impossible because I made one myself and it still works ish. So I'll plug it in, I'll bring it closer if you can get any sound from it. So that's for the right ear and this is for the left ear. Alright, I'll be using this kind of setup for the new one.
I could just see some already made speakers, but where's the fun in that?
I mean, when I already have the recipe to make it myself.
This is a little bit wider than this, so I'm going to use this to fold this stuff around it. This is what I want.
Finally! Finally! I did all of that without saying a single word. That's what the man does. So guys, this is the board I want to get from it, and all I have to do now is fix this part and then this other part too. I'll find you to put all of this inside the box so it looks better than what it looks like right now. I'm blessed.
They say every day's a new day. Live it like your last day. It's okay to feel great. You're all jumping on a new wave. Time goes by, but I'll stay stuck up in my old ways. So hard to unlearn habits we got addicted to. I'm trying to change my life, but so much easier to say than do. Oh, please help me. Please go easy on me. I can't believe it's so hard for me to see that I deserve happy now. So please go easy. Please go easy on me. Go easy on me. Go easy on me. Easy on me.
This is for the battery and these are for the speakers. This is what it sounds like. This also proves that you can make speakers from even plastic bottles. I think it sounds better from the back. Alright, that's it. Let's continue building the frame. You can't really call this a durability test, but yeah, it's okay, I guess. Now I just have to connect it to the controls and see if it really works. So this is what the speaker actually sounds like. So at least I'm glad they work, and they're going to be in my ears to do sound louder than what you just listened to. So this is the win for me. I now have my very own custom made headphone, and it's also going to last for a very long time because I'm actually using the power bank to power it up. Yeah, the power bank is going to be in my pocket. So yes, this is an upgrade from an earpiece, although I can't take it outside. And people will look at me like I've finally lost it. So thanks for watching. If you think this video was interesting, give it a like and watch my other videos. Thanks. Bye.
Still go.